Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy first and foremost, but I wanted to come on here and play with a new palette I received in PR. They decided to gift it to me. This is from Aether Beauty. This is their Amethyst Crystal Gemstone palette. And honestly, it is so pretty. I've already used it once, and I showed that on my stories a couple days ago by the time you're watching this, and I actually really liked it. So I wanted to kind of show them some love with everything going on because they are a smaller beauty company, and I know everything is crazy right now. So this is what the palette looks like. It does have the names of the shades on the back, and then it also does come with a little plastic insert with the names as well. And I like how they have this little note up here. It just says, "Hello beautiful, we have removed the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the best sustainable choices in all of our products. And let's be real, you'll probably be using this palette in front of a mirror anyways." Also true. It just says that way so they can recycle it, and they're saving this palette from going directly to the landfill, which I think is amazing. So yeah, this is again what the palette looks like. So I just kind of want to play with it. There's a shade I am eyeballing hardcore in this palette. I really love these purples in here. I just think they are so pretty. So I want to come on here and play with some makeup and just see how you are all doing. I am no longer working. I work for a smaller boutique, and we obviously had to close our doors for the time being and just offer like the free shipping and things like that. So I totally understand. It is what it is. Everyone needs to stay safe and healthy. I'm also worried about everyone else though who will not be bringing in paychecks like myself. My husband Chris works for a like IT installation type thing, and he also like fixes stuff at businesses. So he is still currently working, but they've already had their hours cut over the last couple of weeks. So we're a little nervous. I'm nervous, one, about him getting sick at all, and anyone else. It stresses me out, but it's like we're also stressed because you have to be able to pay your bills since those obviously are not frozen or anything yet. So slightly stressed about that. I really wish I could help you guys and me. But if you guys obviously just want to like chat or anything, I've already just chatted with some people and friends that I've met from here, and I like to just hear from you guys that you guys are okay, honestly. So if you just want to chat throughout the day or anything, I will pretty much be glued to my phone because I don't know what else to do besides film some content, engage with you guys, and organize and clean my house. So yeah. By the way, I just went in with the shade, is this Meditation? Yeah, I just went in with the shade, or no, I am so confused. Yes, I just went in with the shade Meditation. My bad. I'm like not good at reading these. Next I'm going in with Centered, and it is like a deeper maroon purple. This palette is just really pretty. It creates like really natural purple looks, and I'm all about that. You guys know I love to wear purples. I just feel like they make brown eyes pop. Honestly, like all color does, but if you're not into purple shadow, you should be. All eyes, honestly, like I've done them purple looks for a couple people who've gotten married that have like blue and green eyes, and they just make your eyes pop. It's such a great color. I feel like so many people are like scared of it and don't like it, and it needs to change. But anyway, so while everyone is stuck inside and everything, if there's anything that you guys want me to talk about or showcase, I don't care, whether it is makeup related, can be advice about blogging. I actually filmed a video months ago about like blogging and like actual advice on how to grow, but I don't know if I should post it or not because I think it might upset a couple people as far as like, I don't know. It's kind of tough love because some of it is like stuff general advice is usually not actually helpful. So let me know what you guys want to see. Can also do some like fashion related videos and styling. I will have some collabs that we already agreed to, and I've already started with a couple boutiques. I could always do a try on, not just on my Instagram stories, but also for YouTube. So if that's something you guys would be interested. I know obviously in times right now, shopping is not on everyone's mind. For me, retail therapy helps, but even if I can just like shop and browse through websites, add it to cart, and then if I don't even check out, it just makes me feel better. So let me know. And like for some people it's really weird to just carry on, but everyone is at home right now and I think it's nice to have a distraction. I've personally been watching a lot of YouTube, so I'm hoping people can put out more content so I can just keep having things to do and stay distracted so I don't think about it. I know everyone is stressed right now, especially small business owners and everything, and servers, retail workers, just everyone who is now out of job. It really sucks and I feel for you. Hopefully something good will come out of it. I'm sure something will. It's just gonna be hard to see it. But I'm just kind of doing what I did on in my lid and transition area and all that up top so far, just to get it ready. I'm just sweeping that under there. I am going to wet my flat brush that I used to put on all my shimmers. And I want to go in with this beautiful purple right here. This is the shade Third Eye, I believe. And we are just going to apply that all over the lid. These shadows apply and kind of remind me of Dose of Colors. They do have some kickback in the pan and they will have fall if you do not tap off the excess. And that's exactly how like Dose of Colors shadows are for me. And I love them because they're so pigmented and they blend beautifully, but I know some people aren't about that. So obviously it's your preferences. I just kind of wanted to give it, like, compare it to something that some of you guys might already own in case you are curious and think about checking this brand out. I love that purple. It's so pretty. But yeah, like I see, it does have fallout. So just gonna sweep that away. And then we shall do the other eye. Also, I want to take a moment. I don't know how many people will see this, but it is so important to support your local entrepreneurs, businesses, community, everything. Even if you can't shop with them or buy anything from them, even just engaging on their stuff, on their social media, it really does help, guys. Like, it helps so much. I don't think people realize it. If you feel like you can't do anything and feel helpless like I do, just try it to help in that way. My family, both parents have small businesses and are stressed. I have friends whose families have small businesses and I am worried for everyone just because it's going to be tough and no one knows how long any of this is going to last. So, but back to something more positive. I really love how this shadow is performing. I just think this is such a pretty look. It still gives you like purple and mauve vibes, but I feel like it's not as like bam in your face. And I really think a lot of people would like this palette and it wouldn't be like too much for a lot of people like some like bright purple palettes can be. So just kind of wanted to share that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara, liner, and lashes off camera and I will be back. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup. This is how the look turned out. I'll have all of the products on my face linked down below. Those are going to be my RewardStyle links. So I do make a small commission if you do purchase anything on those websites through them. So what do you guys think? I feel like everything looks really nice. I really like this eyeshadow palette. If you can, definitely check them out. Show them some love. Also, be sure and subscribe to my channel. Be sure and follow me on all of my socials, especially Instagram. That is where I'm most active, although that could change with being at home and everything. And make sure you guys all stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.